Well, hello there everyone. I'm Christy and welcome to my kitchen. So what I have here is 3 bone-in center cut pork chops. And I'm going to be cooking these today, but I'm going to make a sauce to go with them. It is a honey, garlic, and sriracha sauce. These pork chops are delicious. They're sweet and spicy, sticky, full of flavor pork chops. So I'm excited to show you how easy these are to make. I've got my ingredients on my counter. I'm just going to walk you through this step by step. I will leave the recipe in the description box below if you want to go check that out. But it's that time, guys. It is time to get cooking. All right, so the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to season my pork chops with some salt and black pepper. And I'm going to season both sides. All right, so to a large cast iron skillet, I'm going to add about a tablespoon of olive oil and 1 tablespoon of butter. So once your butter has melted and your skillet is nice and hot, then add your pork chops. And I'm going to let these cook for about 3 to 4 minutes. I'm not even going to touch them. I'm just going to let them cook in the skillet. We want to get a nice golden sear on each side. All right, so while my pork chops are frying, I'm going to start working on the sauce. Okay, so I have 2 tablespoons of honey, and to that I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of hot water and 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar. And I'm just using a small whisk. All right, then I'm going to add just a squirt of sriracha. You could add cayenne pepper if you wanted, or you don't have to add this if you don't want to, if you don't want it spicy, but I just added 1 little squirt just to give it a touch of spice. Been cooking for about 3 to 4 minutes on each side. Now I'm just going to kind of put my pork chops to one side, add the other tablespoon of butter, and I'm going to mince 3 cloves of garlic. Give that a little stir. Be careful, you don't want to burn your garlic. And then I'm going to add this honey sriracha sauce. All right. Then I'm going to let these pork chops cook for about 5 minutes or so until the sauce starts to thicken. All right, I think they're done. That sauce is nice and thick. Oh yeah, these look delicious. All right, so these pork chops are done and they just look and smell delicious. Now I am serving them alongside my old-fashioned tomato dumplings. If you missed that video, you might want to go check it out. It's the video that came out just prior to this one. And I'm also serving it with some broccoli. Oh my goodness. You just cannot beat these pork chops. All right, you saw how easy these were to make. I hope that you give them a try. Thanks so much for watching. God bless. And as always, I'll see you soon with more delicious recipes.